I'm Ashley. This is Genesis. And we're going to get your brother's hair done. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how I accomplished 2-strand twists for my son's hair. Genesis already has her hair done, and we're going to get right into your brother's hair. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Ashley. This is Genesis. And we're going to get your brother's hair done. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So stay tuned for a tutorial on how I accomplished 2-strand twists for my son's hair. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's get started. So this is how my son's hair looks before I start the 2-strand twist process. I just took his hair down and I applied some leave-in conditioner in it, and I used a spray bottle for water to make sure his hair is not tangled when I start this process, because sometimes toddlers don't like to get their hair done. Let's just be real, moms. So I try to be very, very gentle with his hair. This is a very, very easy look and less time consuming. I usually would do cornrows or simple plaits, but the twists seem to be the most easiest and the most fastest, and he sits still a lot easier this way. I'm currently trying to decide if I want to go ahead and lock my son's hair up, because honestly, I feel like it's going to be the best choice for his hair. His hair is so thick and curly and beautiful. I remember when he was born, he had such a full head of hair when he came out to this world. I could not believe it, but I just was so obsessed with doing his hair and growing it and making sure it's nice and healthy. But you never know. I might end up doing locks eventually. So all I do is just separate the hair in different sections, make sure it's nice and damp and conditioned so it's easy for my fingers to go through his hair. Just simple like that. Take 2 strands of hair and just twist, twist, twist. It's so easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up so you can see it till the end. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope this helps you.